Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of React Native. So today we are going to learn about the how to use React Native camera kit, okay, in your React Native project. So basically this is for using for the capturing the images, capturing the barcode, okay. So today we are going to learn how to capture any kind of picture using the React Native camera kit, right? So I will show you. I have prepared the demo already. So let me connect to the AnyDesk and I will show you right now. So which one is AnyDesk? Let me go and check the AnyDesk. Yeah, this AnyDesk is opened. So which one is this one? AnyDesk is connected. You can see that when we have React Native Camera Kit, when I open the camera, right, it asks me to allow to record photos. It allows me to assess the media on your device. Okay, then it will open the camera, right, with this flash with rotate camera. Okay, so it will rotate the camera also. So you can see that rotation of the camera. Now capture the screenshot, capture screenshot, and you can see that the image path external everything is just shown over here. So you can just use it whether you want to save in this device, whether you want to upload on the media cloud. So you can do exactly what you want, right? So this is how we are just capturing the screenshot or capturing the pictures. Whenever you try to upload a profile image or something, we can use this one, right? So let's get started how to make such kind of things in React Native. So let's get started. Okay, so cancel on clicking on the cancel, it will go back to the open camera. So let's create a fresh project and install the rest of the things. So let's get started. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. If you really like my video, please do hit this video, okay, and comment on this video, right? So let's get started. So here we go with this one terminal. So I'm going to close this one. I'm going to create a fresh project. So here we go, the React Native. Okay, open the terminal. So here we go with this one, Control Shift V, and we are going to make a camera kit. Okay, so it will create the project. Done. Let's move to the camera kit. So we need to install this module, React Native Camera. So copy paste this, install this module. After this, for creating the build, we need to go with this one. I'm going to take place the local.properties into my project. So where we go with camera kit. So Android, paste it. Okay, let's check the documentation part over here, GitHub. Okay, so let's go to that one. And here we go with this one. This is done. Now add these permissions to the Android manifest. So Android app source main android manifest.xml, just add this permissions. Done. Okay, now we have go to with the app.js of my previous project. So let's go with this one, android camera, where we have the camera kit, we have app.js file. So I'm going to control a, control C, and I'm going to paste in our project where we go with app.js file. So control V, save. Now we are going to changes in the Android build.gradle file. So in here we need to add the build.gradle version. So let me check this one. So let me go with this one, camera Android build.gradle. So here we have to add the compile Kotlin version and minimum SDK version. So it requires both of them. So where we go with this one, React Native camera kit, camera. Let me check where we are here. So here we go with this one, React Native camera Android build.gradle. Just open it. Okay, just paste it over here, this one, right? And after this we have Android this one. So we need to add this class path also. You need to copy and paste this in the our project. Minimum SDK version you need to change to 23. It is a requirement of that one. All of things as we have done. Let's create a build. Okay, so let's create a build. So here is the build command. So I'm going to add this one. So let's go and check this build. So enter this build. Okay, let's see the build process. Meanwhile, we can run in the new tab the another one command. Okay, let's see. The build is installing now. It's installing the build. You have to control C and uninstall again. Meanwhile, the build is installing. Let's analyze the code. Okay. So Control Shift T. So here we go with the code. Okay. So we are using the camera screen from the React Native kit. Okay. And here we have just using the permissions whether capture images set capture image, and here we are just Android permissions, camera permissions. After that we are just using camera permissions, then we are waiting for the right external storage, external permissions we are getting in. Okay. And read external storage also we are getting the permissions. If all that permissions are granted, then what we are going to do is just we are checking the there. You can see that here we have event captures part, right? So when I click on this one on the right hand event dot type right or left is here. Okay, so when I click on press OK, when we have the button here, we have the configuration of the button. Right button, that is text. Left button, that is cancel. Okay, so when we go with the done button, right? So on bottom press, you can see that on bottom press, here we go with the bottom press. You can see that when we click on the bottom press, these are the action flash messages and everything is coming on. So when I click on the capture button image, okay, so what we'll have to do, we are going to capture the images and it will show with the images test. Okay, and console at OK pressed, cancel it button is also there. On bottom pressed we have Okay, now we have, this is basically for opening the camera. Yes, we are opening the camera, and this part is for just adding the permissions, right? And the console log that when I click on the button, right, set, you can see that when I click on the event left, then set event is to be false. If it is right, right means that is now the build is installed. You can see that the build is like camera kit is installing, I guess. It is installing, and another thing that is, so when we click on this one, you can see that when we are event dot type right, because on the right side we have the capture button. So when I click on that one, so we are going to capture the images what we have just event dot capture, and we are going to alert all of the things with the images. You can see that here we have just written out all the views. React Native camera, when I click on this open camera, so it will open the camera, and it will ask for the permissions, and you can set the images whatever we have selected, right? So just there is only installation of build is pending. Okay, I don't know why it's taking time, but the demo I have let's check it out over here. So you can see that when I open the camera kit, right, and I open this one. Okay, so you can see that when we have this one right button, this is the right one, so I'm going to capture this one. When I click on this capture, okay, so you can see that on click on this one button, we have all the capture is done. And what about this one? This is still installing the build. Okay, so after this the build is installed, and this is the code for just opening the camera and all, right? So in this one, just implementing such kind of things in your React Native. Any query, any issue you are facing, just let me know in the comment section, right? Almost I have done each and every part of the React Native camera kit installation and the configurations part, right? And this is the code for just opening the camera and getting all the image that you are collecting out, right? So any query in that, I think the build is installed. Let's see here. Build is installed. Okay, and it's opening right now, and it says that development error. Okay, the images part is not there, so let me add the images part is also there. So here we go with this one, and React Native camera kit, we have images folder which is missing. So I'm going to add here images part, right? Images part is there right now, and I'm going to add the development server. Give me a second. Settings, I'm going to add the debug mode. Okay, this part is done right now. I'm going to open this one and reloading this one. Reload what it says. Let me run this again. Now let's see, it's running from the build, and you can see that done. It's opening the camera. You're asking for the allow all those things. Okay, then you can see that capture. Here we are going to capture this part. Okay, you can see that capture path, external extension, everything is coming up, right? The window is loading slowly. It will come right now. Okay, so this is the path you can get it on. Okay, so any query, any issue, so let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video, because I have explained how to integrate this one, because I think this part is not anywhere in the Google right now. So you can just check, and any query, any feedback, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.